Hello friends, welcome to today's video, whichever day this goes up, Tuesday or Thursday, I'm not sure. I got a new mold. If you were here a couple of weeks ago, you may recall this beautiful butterfly mold. And in that video, I told you guys that the same company that had this listed also had a few other molds listed, including other butterflies. There's some dragons and this beautiful turtle. It's very cute. It's got lots of little indents and stuff, like on the shell, you know, designs on the shell. But I showed this to my housemate, and she immediately said, could you please make it with green, blue, and gold, and I will buy it from you. And I said, absolutely, you don't have to buy it, but yeah, I'll make it for you. So that's what we're going to do today. It is already covered in cat hair. Of course it is. So, that's super fun, but at least it's on the outside, right? Anyway, I'm going to dust this with the mica powders, and I'm probably going to go in with just a clear resin for this one. Super simple. And hopefully it turns out super cute. I think it's going to be really adorable, and I can't wait to see it finished and demolded. So without further ado, let's get to dusting, let's get to pouring, let's get to the resin. Alright. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I know y'all are probably tired of seeing these little skulls, but they're just so easy to keep next to me and fill up with extra resin. So I'm going to continue to do that. So in these, I think, is some of the holographic glitter. Yeah, very pretty. And then I filled up these little tiles again because these are also very easy to fill up with extra resin. And eventually I will have a use for all of these. Once I figure out what that is, you guys will know. Yeah? Very pretty. And it's the same, I want to say I used the silver holographic glitter from Let's Resin in both the skulls and the tiles. This is so satisfying to do. Yeah. So, there's a couple of those as well. Very nice. Alright, so that is today's a little bit longer bonus unmolding. Alright. Should we demold this? I'm so excited, you guys, because I don't know if you can tell. Although right now I'm seeing just one, but I'm hoping that's a mirage. There's not a single bubble in this. I don't know what I did differently to allow this to be bubble free like it is, but I hope to recreate it every single day. So I do think that there's a tiny little micro one in the tail that I did try to get out. Let's see. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. I do kind of wish now, looking at it, that I had made black resin for it. But man, is that pretty. There is a tiny little bubble of missing resin in the tail, but that's okay. Otherwise, I am super happy with this. I would love to finish these off with gold. Like with my gold pen. So maybe I'll do that real quick. I do have to leave for work like super soon. So, yeah. Alright. That's today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. Helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.